Welcome to my channel. How to configure NETGEAR extender via web interface. 1. Plug in your extender. Connect your NETGEAR extender to a power socket near your router and wait for the power LED to turn solid. 2. Connect to extender network. Open Wi-Fi on your phone, laptop and connect to the network named NETGEAR_Ext. 3. Open web browser. Launch Chrome, Safari, or any browser. 4. Visit the login page. Type mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250 into the URL bar and press enter. 5. Create or log in to your account. Enter your username and password or create a new login if it's your first setup. 6. Start the setup wizard. Click New Extender Setup and follow the on-screen instructions. 7. Select your router's Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network. 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your router's Wi-Fi password correctly to allow connection. 9. Set extender network name. Confirm or customize the extended Wi-Fi name, example, home Wi-Fi_Ext. 10. Complete the setup and reconnect. Save settings right pointing arrow wait for extender to reboot right pointing arrow reconnect your device to the new extended Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.